Okay, last video we have to study the human reproduction introduction. Okay, in that we have studied the only definitions of their what are the events present in the human reproduction. That is the first one is the gametogenesis, that means formation of the gamete, insemination, that means transfer of sperm from the male body to the female body. Then after the insemination, what will be happen? Fertilization is takes place. After fertilization, that means fusion of the gametes, male and female. After the fertilization, the zygote will be undergo the formations, new one, that is the formation of the embryo. That embryo will be attached to the uterus. We call that is the implantation. After implantation, gestation, that means pregnancy period, or a 3 trimester, that means first semester containing the 3 months, each trimester containing the 3 months. So that's why gestation is the time period of the pregnancy. After that 9 month, baby will be take place on delivery, that is called as a parturition. Okay, after that child care is also we have to observe. Okay, so these 6 processes are we study in the introduction process. Now we have to study the male reproductive system. Okay, male reproductive system means we have to study the what are the structures are present, which are the help in the formation of the testes and sperm formation, and also how they have to connecting to connected one to another. Okay, so see here, first they given in inside the first line, the male reproductive system is located in the pelvic region. Okay, that means in our body mainly 2 regions, thoracic region and pelvic region. Above stomach we called as thoracic, below stomach we called as a we call this as a pelvic region. Okay, in pelvic region testes are present. Okay, accessory duct are present, and glands are present, and external genital are present. Here one point is very important, these testes are present. Okay, these testes are present outside the abdominal cavity with the help of the scrotum. Here scrotum sac is present. So testis is not present inside the body, it present the outside the body, that means outside the abdominal cavity. Okay, so why testes are present outside the abdominal cavity? Because see, the testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within the pouch called as scrotum. The scrotum help in the maintaining the low temperature of the testis to 2.2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower temperature than normal body temperature, necessary for spermatogenesis. What they have to say, testes need the very low temperature, because in the low temperature only they spermatogenesis processes takes place. What is the spermatogenesis? Formation of the sperms. Okay, in the low temperature only spermatogenesis takes place. Okay, because our normal body temperature is the 37 degrees Celsius. They need the very low temperature. That's why they present outside the abdominal cavity with the help of the scrotum sac. Okay, in the case set also they asked, okay, what is the help of the scrotum? It is a maintain of the low temperature. Okay, next what they given, see, in adult each testis, how the shape, the testis is the oval in shape, that means they are oval in shape. In each testis oval in shape with a length of about, that means length is 4 to 5 centimeter and width is 2 to 3 centimeter. The testis is covered by the dense covering, that means the testis is covered by the 3 layers. Okay, the testis is covered by the 3 layers, that is the tunica vascula, tunica albuginea and tunica vascularis. Okay, 3 layers are present, just we have to observe that layers. Okay, it is a testis. Okay, see here one point is this pink color is the scrotum sac. Okay, here the scrotum will be attached to the gibbereniculum. Okay, gibbereniculum. Okay, in case it may be asked, gibbereniculum is the attachment of the scrotum to the testis. Gibbereniculum is a ligament. We know what is the ligament. Ligament is connecting to the bones to bones. Here also ligament help for the hold the organs. Okay, it able to stable the organs. Okay, here connecting to the gibbereniculum. Without gibbereniculum, testis present inside the body we called as a cryptocrydium. Write down, gibbereniculum is testis attached to the scrotum. Okay, cryptochrydism is there is no ligament present between the testis and scrotum because testis present to the inside the body. Okay, examples are the camels that show the cryptochrydism. This will show in the human beings. Okay, then see, first part is the tunica vaginalia. Here, okay, it will be attached to the tunica vaginalia. It is an incomplete layer. It is not covered completely, and it is a densely irregular and connective tissue. It made by the connective tissue. And this one blue color first layer is the tunica albuginea. Okay, this produce the testicular lobules. After that, inside, okay, where seminiferous tubules are present, inside, that is the tunica vascularis present between the lobules. That means seminiferous tubules or seminiferous lobules. Okay, T. Okay, tunica means layer. Okay, tunica vaginalia, tunica albuginea, tunica vascularis. You have to easy to recall VA. V means vaginalia, A means albuginea, V means vascular. First vaginal layer is come inside albuginea. In that side, vascular is present. Once again, you have to observe detail. Okay, testis. Okay, it containing the seminiferous tubules. They connected to the okay. In case sperm will be produced in the seminiferous tubules, that is in this. Okay, after sperm will be produced, they send to the lumen. In this place, lumen to the rita testis. Listen carefully. They asked in the case at question sequence. Seminiferous tubules form the sperm. They send to the lumen. After that, rita testis. These are network like structures. These are rita testis. After that, they send to the vasa afferent. They have to 10 to 12 vasa afferent are present. Thus, vasa afferent sent to the epididymi. This epididymi, again, they have to 3 parts. Epididymi, they have to 3 parts. Epididymi, first part ಏನಂತೀವಿ caput, that means head. Middle piece is a corpus. Okay, then last part is a tail. Okay, so head, middle and tail. This tail only connected to the caudal. We call it as a caudal. Caput. Okay, caput. Then middle is the corpus. Tail is the what we call tail is caudal. The caudal part. Okay, the caudal part connected to the vasa deferens. Okay, listen carefully. Vasa deferens. Okay, epididymi, they containing the 3 parts: caput, corpus and caudal. It is the origin of vasa deferens. This based upon this only caudal. Okay, where is the origin of the vasa deferens? In the caudular part of the epididymi is the origin of the vasa deferens. Okay, so it is about the testis. Okay, we study the testis. They containing the 3 layers: tunica vaginalia, tunica albuginea and vascularis. Okay, ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅವ? ಓಕೆ, ಪಲ್ವಿಕ್ ರೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ದಾಗ. Okay, it contains a pair of testes. Okay, a pair of the testes, accessory ducts, glands and external genitals. Okay, so they containing the outside the body. Why ಇದಕ್ಕೆ outside ಆದ? Because ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್, ದಟ್ ಟು 2 to 2.5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಅದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ 37 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆವ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಇನ್ ದ womb only, after the 3 months, testis will move to downward. That means descending, they come to the outside the abdominal cavity after the 7 months. Okay, that's why they present outside the abdominal with the support of the gibbereniculum ligament. Okay, they attach to the scrotum. Okay, so in scrotum, okay, testis we containing the 3 layers. 3 layers of testis ಗೆ tunica vaginalia ಆದ, albuginea ಆದ, vascularis ಆದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ವಜನಿಯಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ albuginea, ದೆನ್ vascularis ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಜನಿಯಾ ಏನದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆದ, ಓಕೆ, thick ಆದ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ. ಒಳಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ tunica albuginea. Okay, it produces the lobules, minimum 250 lobules from each testis. Okay, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನದ vascularis ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ seminiferous tubules ಅವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ vascularis ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ lobules. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಮಿನಿಫೆರಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ದೇ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು ದಿ this phase lumen. After that, retar testis to vasa afferent to the epididymi to the vasa deferens. Listen carefully. Retar testis, okay, retar testis, vasa afferent, epididymi, then vasa deferens. Okay, in epididymi they connecting the three parts: caput, corpus and cordula. Head part is caputa, head part ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪುಟ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇರೋದೇನಿದು ಓಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಪಸ್. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ ಕಾಡುಲನೇ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವನ್, ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಈಚ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವಲಿನ್ ಶೇಪ್. ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಏನು ಓವಲಿನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅದ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾದ, ಸಿ ಇದ್ರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಉದ್ದ 4 to 5 centimeter ಅದ. ಅಗಲ ಏನದ 2 to 3 centimeter ಅದ. The testis is covered by the dense covering. We already studied testis covered with the dense covering, that is tunica vaginalis. Each testis is about a 250 compartment. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟವ 250 ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೋಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಈಚ್ ಲೋಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ದ 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾವ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾವ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 to 4 seminiferous tubules ಅವ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಚ್ seminiferous tubule, see here in inside they give the seminiferous tube. It is a okay seminiferous tubule. See inside here 2 cells are present. Okay, listen carefully. Inside seminiferous tubules, this circle they containing the okay 2 cells. Those are sertole cells and sperm cell or spermatogonal cells. Okay, then outside they present the interstitial space. Okay, space what we call cell to cells, the space will be present. We call it interstitial. Okay, here cell is present, that is a leading cell. Also we call it as interstitial cells. How many cells are present is now 3 cells are there. Sertole cell and germ cell present in seminiferous tubules, and outside the space of the cell to cell we observe the interstitial cell. See spermatogonia. Okay, so spermatogonia form the spermatozoa. Okay, how they form that we study on the another video. Okay, concept of the spermatogenesis. Just we have to observe here sertole cells, spermatogonia present inside, and outside is interstitial cells, that is the leading cells are present. Okay, now we have to observe. Okay, see here each lobules contain the 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. ಏನಾದ ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲೋಬುಲಾಗ ಏನಾದ 1 to 3 highly seminiferous tubules ಇದೆ. In which sperms are produced. Each seminiferous tubules is lined to on its inside the 2 types of cells called male germ cells. Already we studied that. ಒಳಗೆ ಏನವ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಟೋಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ germ cell. From this cell only form the sperm and it will be cared by the sertole cell. It formed by the meiosis and it formed by the mitosis. Okay, sertole cells is also called as the somatic cells. Spermatogonia made by the mitosis and meiosis cell division. The male germ cells undergo the meiotic division. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫೈನಲಿ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಲ್ ಸೈಟೋಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್, ನರಿಶ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನರಿಶ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಟು ದ ಜರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಲ್. ದ ಜರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಸೆಮಿನಿಫೆರಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಟಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಸೆಮಿನಿಫೆರಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಗಿರೋದು ನಾವೇಂತೀವಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಟಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಟಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಟಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. Okay, androgen is also called as testosterone hormone. It is a male hormone. And also immunological component cells are also present. Immunological cells means WBC cells are also present. Okay, so it is a testis. Okay, it contains the three layers, and inside the seminiferous tubules they contain the 3 cells: spermatogonia cells, sertole cells and leading cells. Okay, after that the male sex accessory duct is including. Already we study. Okay, after the formation of sperm they send to the testis, vasa afferent, epididymi and vasa deferens. Already we study the epididymi 3 parts: caput, corpus and cordula. Cordula only joined to the what? Vasa deferens. The seminiferous tubules of the testis open to the vasa afferent through the retar testis. The vasa afferent the testis and open into the Epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testis. The testis is laid to receive and duct for seminal vesicles. Okay, here very first storage of sperm is takes place in epididymis only. Epididymis is very important. Best of all, ask any one more question, MCQ question. It have 3 parts and it is only originated of caudula is originated of vasa difference. Here first storage of sperm. Okay, take the immature sperm from the vasa efferent. It take the immature sperm vasa difference. They send to the mature sperm to the vasa difference. What is the difference between the vasa efferent and vasa difference? Vasa different taking the mature sperm, vasa efferent taking the immature sperm from the retar testis. Okay, after that, okay, so located where the then epididymis will be ascendant to, because testes are presented descending, that means outside the abdomen. Then vasa difference, see, ascending to the abdominal and loop over the urinary bladder here. Okay, see, vasa difference come to the urinary bladder and attached to the seminal vesicles. Here they form the ejaculatory duct. After that, they attach to the prostate gland. Here 3 glands are present: seminal vesicle, prostate, and copper. 3 glands are present in the male reproductive system: seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Copper's gland. 3 gland available: seminal vesicles, prostate, and Copper's gland. After that, okay, the duct store and transfer the sperm from the testis to the outside through the urethra. The urethra originated from the urinary bladder and extend through the penis to its external opening called urethral meatus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿನ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಯೂರಿಥ್ರಲ್ ಮೀಟಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, 3 ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವ? ಸೆಮಿನಲ್ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. The penis in the male external genitally. Okay, we study the accessory duct, accessory gland. Now we have to study the external genital. Penis is the external genital in the male reproductive system. It is made up of special tissue, okay, that help in the erection of the penis of facilitative insemination. Smooth mada salag enagutte, they have a special tissue, okay, during the erection, that means ejaculation. The enlarged end of penis is called a glands of penis, is covered by the loose folded of skin called a foreskin. That means here, okay, see, this enlarged penis is covered by the glands of penis and outside they have a covered by the foreskin. It helps for the lubrication. Okay, this glands also what they have to roll. Male accessory glands, it includes a pair of seminal vesicles. Okay, 2 are paired, seminal vesicles and bulbourethral. Prostate is a single. Seminal vesicle bulbourethral pair ava, prostate another single ada. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಮನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಮನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವೈಟಿಶ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರುಕ್ಟೋಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಸ್. ದ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ bulbourethral gland help in the lubrication of the penis. When they have to intercourse, okay, it act as a lubrication. Okay, when they have an intercourse, it helps for the penis act as a lubrication. Okay, smoothing of the layer. Okay, we have to study this male reproductive. Once I just recall, male reproductive system daga mainly 3 parts ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ನ, ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ, 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್, accessory ducts, glands and external genitals. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಏನದ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಟಮ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಲಿಗಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಬರ್ನಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್. ಆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಡೋಮಿನಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೋಕ್ರೈಡಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, accessory ducts ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ರಿಟರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್, vasa efferent, vasa deferent, okay, and epididymis. Then glands 3, 2 are paired, seminal vesicles and bulbourethral, and single is prostate gland. External genitals is a penis. Okay, these are all we have to study in this male reproductive system. And 3 cells are there: germ cells and serotypes present in the tubules, and outside the space we observe the interstitial cell. There is a leading cells, it produce the androgen. Okay, role of sexual cells, it have it nourishing the sperm. Okay, these are all covered in the male reproductive system. Next video we have to study about the female reproductive system.